Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches here. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. If you're brand new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and ring the bell for notifications so you'll know when I post up videos like this one or when I go live. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I love seeing you here and all your comments down below. Well, today it is real cold. I have a long sleeve shirt on, sweatshirt on, and I'm still freezing. But my mailman was nice enough to bring this right to my door. I got my happy mail. Got my sew sampler box for December of 2022. So let's get this open. I think this is the last subscription box I'm getting for the year because I've already gotten the ones from other companies that I get from Sew Yeah and Pastry Shop. So can't wait to open this. Okay, here's my sew sampler box. As you can see, I have not opened it yet. Cut that open. Put that away so I don't cut myself. Oh. Ooh. Joy in the Journey is the tag for this month. Some pretty colors. Now, always on the back of the sew sampler, there's a coupon for something in their shop. And this time it is 30% off Fisherman's Bend fabric collection. Or, let's see, a free Ulfa Endurance Blade with a $45 plus order. Okay, that's nice. So I did get an email from Sew Sampler, and anybody who subscribed should have gotten the email, that they are raising the price of this next year to $29.95. It's been $24.95 for like 7 years. I'm actually shocked that they haven't raised it yet with all the price increases in the industry. So good on them for, you know, and it's not going up a huge amount. But just so you're aware, if you haven't gotten this box and are thinking about it for the next year, it is going up a little bit. So I would guess probably with shipping, it's going to be, right now for me with shipping, it's like 31 and change. It's probably going to be 29, probably 38, 39 and change. So, okay, I will stop talking about that. Let's see what's in here. All right, the little carton says Joy in the Journey, and the fabric this time is Fisherman's Bend, and I'm going to take it out because it's glaring on the camera. I've actually never seen this fabric before. It's by Violet Craft from Robert Kaufman Fabrics. Get this out. And there's a couple of, camera adjust, charm packs in here. Definitely not something I would have picked, but I think it's kind of cute. It's got fish on it. I'm not going to take the whole charm pack apart. Hopefully you guys can see enough. I know the camera's not quite adjusting to the light. Okay. I'll bring it closer and try. There's fish on it, birds, butterflies, very nature-like. So we got 2 charm packs of that. This color that you're seeing down here is what the color really is on that top. I'm not sure why it's not adjusting over here, but okay. Then we have, oh, this is kind of like the cutter that I just used to open my box. There's a little cutter called a Ulfa Magna Touch. That's interesting because it's just like the red one I have also by Ulfa. And then this is a magnetic pin caddy, which is interesting. It's magnetic up here. I've never seen one where you put the pins, there's a storage place for the pins underneath. So that's kind of neat. And then let's see what else is in here. Oh, this is cute. There's a little scissor charm. Take it out and show you guys. There's the scissor charm. That's really cute. Definitely sticking to that magnet. And then we have the Fig Tree Block of the Month, which, oh, there we go. That's what the block's gonna look like a basket. And we also got So Sassy iron-on labels. Okay, I just got a big book of these in the Missouri Star Advent. So they are iron-on labels that you can color with permanent fabric markers and make your own quilt labels. And then let's see what the pattern is. The pattern is called Trailblazer. Get it right where there we go. Now you guys can see it. Okay, the finished size of this one is 54 by 54, so not a bad size. Lap quilt. And let me see. You need the 2 charm packs. You also need 2 yards of background and 5/8 yard of binding. So that's not bad. Not too much more fabric that you have to bring to finish this project. It looks like it's mostly squares and half square triangles. So I think this would be a really, really good beginner project and something you probably do very quickly. Okay, so let's see. The charm packs are a $22.96 value. The mini charm says it's a bonus item, is $4.99 value. So we've already covered the cost of our box. The magnetic pin caddy, which I've never seen one with that also holds the pins. It's kind of cool. Is $8.98. It's a box exclusive. The iron-on labels are $13.48. That's interesting because I got a book that was a regular full-size book and was thicker than this, and it was $15. So not sure if you could probably find this a little bit less, but that's okay. The pattern is $9.98, and then the little knife or box cutter is $3.24. So definitely value in this box. So that's awesome. Not sure how I feel about the fabric. It's not something I would choose on my own, although it's not bad. It's really kind of cute. It's just not something that I probably wouldn't, if I saw this in a store, I wouldn't pick it up. But because I have it, I will probably make it because this quilt is actually really nice and I think it would go together really fast and it would be a great quilt to donate to charity. And I'm planning on doing more charity quilts this next year. So I think that's what I'll use this for. All right, well, that was the Sew Sampler for December 2022. I'd love to know what you thought, if you got this box, or even if you didn't get this box, what you thought of the things in it. And if you haven't gotten this box yet and you're considering getting the Sew Sampler, make sure you go to their website and check it out. And like I said, they did just send out an email, and I don't know if it's reflective on their website yet, about the price going up this next year. So check all that out. I will put the link to their shop down below. All right, guys, take care and have a great day. Bye.